Then,
60.1, Tino Cruz. Let's go. 58.5. Okay lang, 60 siya. 136.7 pounds for Eman Bacosa. Once again, ladies and gentlemen,
Yo, what's up? Weigh in day.
kamukha pala ito na yan. Miel Pajardo. Just si Miel Pajardo. Miel Pajardo. Ano ba ang interim IBF? Gumulpe. Ang gumulpe sa Argentina. Dalang daw tayo. Yan. Nakakasakit ang loob kasi New York yan eh. Yan San Antonio kami. Yan. Then,
trial weigh-in is Eman Bacosa. 136.7 pounds for Eman Bacosa.
Tanggalin yung grip.
Ladies and gentlemen, as per Philippine Boxing Federation, this championship bout will be in a catch weight 137 pounds. Each fighter is now eligible to win the PBF lightweight title. For the PBF,
Let's go!
lightweight championship. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, tomorrow this is our main event for the Philippine Boxing Federation lightweight championship. Eman Bacosa versus Rodelyn Perez.
Okay. Face off sila.
GMA TV and also on the Facebook page of Silver Boys and YouTube channel.
Alright, go. Let's go.
Eman at si Rodelyn, and then after that we can do interviews po. After.
Eman, kain muna. Kain muna, kain. Let's go, Job.
interim. Tama, no? Interim. Post-interim. Yan. Back. Sa malo, mas sinala. Ay.
58.9 Max Soriao.
And now, Henawan, Beltran. Okay, we have a fight. 105. Perfect for you. 105.
60.1 James Acopiano. Tino Cruz. Let's go. Okay lang, 60 siya. 60.9 Rome Sa 55.
Go! Boys, let's go! Salamat! Yeah.